So every single month, I get paid from multiple different affiliate programs. As you can see, this program right here has paid me $136,000. As you can see, this program, almost $60,000 here, over $30,000 here with this affiliate program. And the last one I want to show you here, you can see over $22,000. Now, this is going to be an entirely free course on how to start an affiliate marketing business using artificial intelligence or AI software. Now, I've been doing affiliate marketing since May of 2019, and I can tell you that affiliate marketing has never been easier because of AI, ChatGPT, and artificial intelligence. Now, throughout this video, I'm just going to show you a few simple steps that's going to allow you to start your business by the end of this video. Now, more importantly, if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you how you can clone a 7-figure affiliate business with a click of a button. Let's get into it. Now, I'm going to be doing a course giveaway for whoever can find the special emoji somewhere in this video. All you have to do is follow these 3 steps. Step number 1 is find the special emoji. Step number 2, like this video. And step number 3, when you find that special emoji inside of the video, then comment that special emoji down in the comments, but also comment what you learned inside of this video. And I'm going to choose a winner to win an entirely free course that you can have instant access to. Now, real quick, I want to explain how affiliate marketing works if you've never heard of it. So it's a very simple business model, and this is what actually got me out of my 9-to-5 job. Now, all we're doing is we're partnering with an existing business that has an existing product, okay? So basically, you're gonna promote a product that you don't own. Now, this product can be something on Amazon, it could be something on like ClickBank, it could be like Digistore24, it could even be something like on Walmart or Best Buy. It's just simply a product that you don't own, okay? And basically what you do is you're going to get your own affiliate link, essentially your own tracking link, okay? So as an example, if you're sending someone to this product, right? And again, you don't own the product, but you're an affiliate of this. Let's just say you send your mom to go buy a camera, right? Now this camera can be on Amazon.com. If your mom happens to purchase this camera, well, you make money. But the cool thing is you didn't make the camera. You don't have to go and ship this camera out, and you don't have to worry about the refunds or the support. Now, here's an example of how affiliate marketing works. So let's just say you were to go to YouTube, and let's just say that you're looking for a camera to buy. Well, let's just say you go to YouTube and say, best cameras to buy. You're going to go and watch one of these videos, right? What's the best camera that you should buy? So you click on this video right here. You watch the entire video, and basically you figure out, okay, I want to buy this Canon camera, whatever that camera is. Well, the next step is basically you would go inside of here, and they'll typically have a link that goes to their best cameras, right? So you can see here, view our list of recommended cameras. So we're going to click on this link here. Now, this is where it takes us to all the cameras that they recommend. So as an example, let's just say we click on this button here, beginner photography equipment. If I click on this, check this out. It goes directly to Amazon.com. And if I buy this product, right? If I go ahead, let's just say this is me, I go ahead and purchase this product, well, you know, they're going to make money. And all they did was created a video on YouTube explaining what the cameras were, and then they're going to be directing me to this link right here so I can go ahead and purchase through their affiliate link. All right, so step number 1 is we're going to go to an affiliate marketplace like clickbank.com. Now, ClickBank is one of the most popular affiliate networks in the world. So essentially what this is, it's a network of tons and tons of affiliate programs and affiliate products that you can promote. So if you go to clickbank.com, you could simply create an account where it says start here, enter your login information, your email, password, all that good stuff. But now, once you've created your ClickBank account, you'll have access to the ClickBank marketplace. So if you go to the top here where it says marketplace, you'll get access to all these products. You'll notice here, there's tons of different products from business and investing, cooking, e-business, education, health and fitness, all kinds of products that you can promote. Now, my suggestion is you go to the tab where it says top offers. Now, when you go to top offers, it's going to show you the top programs that you can promote as an affiliate, and it gives you a ton of data. So for example, it gives you the gravity score, meaning over 794 people have made money with this product this month. And more importantly, how much can you make when you make a sale? So for example, with this product, you can make about $146 per conversion. And again, remember, this is just an affiliate product. So all you're going to be doing is sending somebody to go buy this product. And if they buy it, you're going to make around $146. Now, one last thing I want to show you is the affiliate page. Now, typically on any affiliate program that you promote, they're going to give you access to the affiliate resources. So for example, if I click on this affiliate page right here, you'll notice there's a ton of things that they're going to give you. That way you can promote their program. Remember, these companies want you to promote their program, so they're going to give you a ton of things that's going to allow you to promote it. Okay, so you can see here, video ad creative materials, click here for access. So you'll notice here, they're going to give you pictures, ads, all kinds of things, thumbnails that you can use, right? I can literally click on this and use literally any one of these images because the company created these things for us. That way we can go ahead and promote it for them. Now, depending on the company, some may give you emails, some will give you pictures, videos. It really depends on which company, which product you're promoting, but always make sure to check out the affiliate JV or the affiliate assets page, which is the one I just showed you. That way you can see everything that that company is letting you use to promote as an affiliate. All right, so the next step is we're going to go to Visla.us. Now, this is one of the softwares we're going to be using to create content using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. So make sure you go to Visla and create an account. Now, after this, we're going to have to connect this to ChatGPT, and you're going to see what we're going to do. It's super, super cool. So once we go to ChatGPT, the next step is we need to enable plugins. So in order to do that, you have to buy ChatGPT 4. So you do need to upgrade to ChatGPT 4 enabled to do this. But if you have that, all you got to do is bottom right, go to settings and beta. And then right here where it says beta features, make sure that plugins is checked. Now, once that's checked, you're going to go to ChatGPT 4. You're going to go to plugins and beta. And where it says no plugins enabled, you're going to go to the plugin store and we're going to look for Visla. So we're going to go and type in Visla. And as you can see, we're going to go ahead and install this. Now, this is now going to connect Visla, your Visla account, to ChatGPT. And as you can see, it's right there. All right, so now that we have the Visla plugin installed, the next step is to ask ChatGPT to create a visual presentation, and it's literally going to do the entire thing. But before we do that, we're going to go back to ClickBank, and remember, we're going to be promoting this product right here called Live Peer. Now, what I recommend doing is doing some research on this product, understanding what it is. But what you can do as well is you can click on this link and it's going to take you to the sales page where this is basically where you would send someone to buy the product. Now, if I do a quick scan of this product, you'll notice here it's a way to lose weight. It says, are you struggling with low energy and stubborn belly fat that just won't budge? It's not your fault. So as you can see, this product is helping you lose weight. So knowing that, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and this is the prompt that I'm going to give it. So I said, create a visual presentation showing the top 10 ways to lose belly fat in 2023. And as you can see, now it's going to start creating an entire video based on that prompt that I gave it. Now, don't worry about all the details that ChatGPT has given us. All you need to do is go down and where it says, let's proceed with these details, you're going to allow Visla to basically create this for you. So once it does that, you can see it's going to create the video. You're going to scroll all the way down. It says, great news, your video has been successfully created. now we could literally go and watch the video right here. Now, this will not work if you didn't install Visla as a plugin or if you didn't sign up. So make sure you do that first. And once you do that, I could click on watch video. Now check this out. Visla has now created an entire video completely from scratch. Check it.
Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 ways to lose belly fat in 2023. Number 10, incorporate more fiber into your diet.
So as you can see, the software has created the entire video for us. Now the cool thing is, if you don't like the video, you can go back to ChatGPT. You can say, hey, make the video 10 minutes long, 5 minutes, add 5 steps instead of 10. Like, you can obviously go and make changes as you go, which is super, super cool. And if you even wanted to, you can go back and where it says save and edit, you can actually make changes on your own if there's certain pictures you want to add or certain transitions, but you don't have to do that, right? You can literally just take this as is, save and edit, or you can share the video, you can download it. But for example here, let's just say we want to save and edit. It's going to say enter claim code. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT. We need to copy this here. So it's going to go back over here, go to claim code, save video, and there we go, project claim. So now we can literally go and export this here at the top right. And there we go, regenerate with free stock. Now, I will say it does have a premium account, meaning you're going to get the best stock footage. You're not going to have the watermark. So I do recommend going to premium. That way you can get the best quality videos for your affiliate marketing business. Now, I do have a special link to sign up for Visla down in the YouTube description down below. And that link's going to get you free access to this program. That way you can try it out for free. So I'll leave that link down in the description below. All right. So now that we downloaded that video, now we could go ahead and take this video and use YouTube to get people to watch the video and then click on our link so we can make money. Let me show you how. So if you recall, in the beginning of this tutorial and course, we went to YouTube and I showed you a video on the top cameras to buy, and then we clicked on this video right here, and then that video led to the affiliate link. So that's exactly what we're gonna do now. But the cool thing about YouTube is people are always searching for how to lose weight, how to make money, how to fix their car, literally anything that you can think of, people are searching on YouTube. So they have a problem and we're going to have a solution to their problem. So in this particular case, people are looking up how to lose belly fat, right? So as you can see here, 264,000 searches per month for that search. Okay. So I'm going to use that search and we're going to go ahead and upload that video. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and copy this keyword here and we're going to go ahead and create this video, upload this video, and I'll show you exactly how to do this. Okay. So we're going to upload this. You're going to go to select files here. Here's our video that we got from Visla. We're going to copy this video. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the title, the description. So you'll notice here, top 10 ways to lose belly fat in 2023. Okay. So we can go ahead and go with that title, but I want to go ahead and use this keyword. So how to lose belly fat. Okay. So top 10 ways on how to lose belly fat. Okay. Because remember, over 200,000 people are searching this keyword. Now, the cool thing is what we can do is we can put here is the best way to lose belly fat. And then what we do here is we're going to put our affiliate link. So if we go back to ClickBank, and remember, we're promoting this Live Pure product, we can hit promote here. And basically we can go ahead and create a hop link. So I'm going to click on this button and you'll notice here, this is going to be our link. So when people click on this link and they buy this product, we're going to get paid. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this here. We're going to go back. So remember, this is where we want people to go to. Now we want our video to show up at the top of YouTube. Okay. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to take this keyword here. I'm going to go back to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it to write a description. Okay. So I'm going to go here and say, can you write a SEO description for the keyword how to lose belly fat. Okay, so you'll notice here it's going to write us an entire description, more importantly a search engine description for this video. Okay, so right here I like it a little bit longer. I typically have my team do this, but you can use ChatGPT if you're not sure how to do search engine optimization. Okay, so I'm going to say make longer and add more more keywords to this, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, and now we're gonna add that to our YouTube description. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy this right here, and I'm gonna go back to YouTube, and here we go. So here's the description. So now it's gonna be easier for people to find our video, okay? So I can go down here. Now you do wanna add a thumbnail. Now for the thumbnail, you can go ahead and create this in a free tool like canva.com, or you can just pick one of these pictures right here. I do recommend that you do create a very good thumbnail that gets people to click on your video. Now, just as a quick plug, I do have an entire YouTube training right here that shows you exactly from A to Z how to build a YouTube channel from scratch. So if you want to learn more in depth on how YouTube works, make sure to check out this video here, and it's going to explain further in depth everything that I know on YouTube. Now, going back here, once we upload the thumbnail, the last thing we want to do is add tags. So to find the tags, you're going to scroll down, and you'll notice where it says tags here, you can go ahead and write relevant tags. Now, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and do this on here. Again, my team goes ahead and does a lot of research to do this, but if you just want AI to do it for you, just so you can start learning, you can go over here and ask ChatGPT to do it. Okay, so we're going to say, give me YouTube tags for this video by comma. Okay, so now what's going to do, it's going to give me relevant tags for this video. There we go, how to lose belly fat. So we can go ahead and take all these tags right here and throw them inside of our video. Okay, so right here we can paste them all, and there we go. Now, these aren't my favorite tags. I'm very specific on how I like my tags. You know, basically what I like to do is longer form tags, but I don't want to get into that because I just want to make this super simple for you guys. That way you guys can start making money as fast as humanly possible. Okay, so last thing here is very easy. You just hit next, and you just simply upload the videos. Obviously, if you're monetized, you could turn that on. All the way, you're gonna go over here and hit next, and then simply upload the video. Now, the only thing left to do is to continue making videos, grow your YouTube channel, because your YouTube channel is one of your most important assets. Now, your most important asset is gonna be your email list, which is something that I didn't mention in this video because I wanted you to start taking action and start making money. But if you wanna learn exactly how to make predictable income by building an email list, then I wanna invite you to copy my entire 7-figure affiliate business. Now, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description down below, and that's gonna be the first link that's gonna allow you to go through my 72-hour challenge that basically allows you to copy my entire affiliate business. More importantly, I'm teaching you the skills on how to build an email list. That way you can leave your 9-to-5 job. Again, I'll leave that link down in the description below, and thank you so much for watching. Remember, I'm gonna pick a winner for the free course. There's gonna be an emoji somewhere in this video. If you find that emoji, comment down below, and if you comment the correct emoji, I'm gonna pick a winner to win the free course. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.